How to screen record on iPhone 14. To screen record on an iPhone 14, follow these steps. 1. Enable screen recording. Open the Settings app on your iPhone 14. Scroll down and tap on Control Center. Select Customize Controls. Find Screen Recording and tap the green plus icon next to it to add it to the Control Center. 2. Prepare your content. Decide what you want to showcase in your YouTube video, whether it's an app demonstration, tutorial, or anything else. Make sure you have a clear plan in mind. 3. Open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone 14 to access the Control Center. 4. Start screen recording in the Control Center. Locate the screen recording icon. It looks like a filled-in circle inside a circle. Tap on the screen recording icon. A countdown of 3 seconds will begin, and then the recording will start. 5. Record your content. Perform the actions on your iPhone that you want to capture in your YouTube video, if necessary. Use gestures, taps, or voiceover to explain what you are doing during the recording. 6. Stop screen recording when you finish recording. Access the Control Center again by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap on the red recording indicator at the top. To stop the screen recording, alternatively, you can tap the red status bar at the top of the screen and select Stop. 7. Save the recording. After stopping the recording, you'll see a notification that the screen recording was saved to your Photos app. 8. Edit your video optional, if needed. You can use the built-in editing features of the Photos app to trim or make minor adjustments too. Your video. 9. Upload to YouTube. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone 14. Tap the upload icon, usually a video camera with a plus sign, and select the screen recording video from your Photos app. Add a title, description, tags, and other relevant information for your YouTube video. Choose your desired privacy settings: public, unlisted, or private, and then tap upload to publish your video.